Hi friends, welcome back. This video I am going to show you Samsung Gallery album lock. Here's how to unlock it easily. Follow this guide. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone. Open the Samsung default gallery apps. After the app is open, look at the bottom page and click on the albums tab. Here you can see all of the album listed there. Simply find the exact album if you want to unlock it. For example, my screenshot album is currently locked. I am unlocking it. To do it, simply tap on the album name, then verify to enter your password, or you can simply unlock them your fingerprint sensor if it available or supported. Right now my album is open. Then tap on the three dots more button top right corner. Here you can see various options. Located the unlock album option, tap on it and you have successfully done. To check it work or not, tap on the back button, and here right now my screenshot album is currently unlocked. This means the lock icon not appear my album. You can open them by simply tap on their name and easily open it, not be require any password type. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please consider to subscribing my new channel guys.